Oh, righty, guys. Yes, I'm headed back to AutoZone, guys. I remember I did. Matter of fact, I think that video is already uploaded. The video on the brake pads, the brake job I did on my Journey. Okay, here go. I couldn't remember if I had dual piston or single piston. Well, anyway, I didn't need neither of the brake pads. Okay, there was nothing wrong with my brake pad. I just had a crappy rotor, all right? A soft spot in the rotor which made it warp. Remember, guys, the whole complaint was vibration at high speed during braking. Those brake pads were just as thick as the new ones. And I'm all about saving money. I'm not putting parts, so I'm not spending money that I don't need. I'm not going to put new brake pads on my car just because I have a bad rotor or warped rotor. Well, anyway, I'm going to take these back, guys. Now, my thing is, I want to question. Now, I hope let me clear the airways right quick. I have nothing against the young lady that was taking care of me. Okay, I don't know if she was a manager or what. It doesn't matter. She's doing her job. I literally think they are being instructed to make you buy this stuff. Okay, because remember the last time I went and bought this, I saw her putting it in the bag. I'm going, I don't need that. And she said she was just being nice. That's the kind of way of saying, please, just let me do it. I have to do it. You know what I'm saying? We're told to do this. So she really brushed me off as far as asking a question. And I turned my back. Next thing I know, it was in the bag. When I got out to the car, watch this little piece of video clip here. Okay, it's not charged on now. Yes, it is. See? Oh, guys, y'all see that? They are told, oh my goodness. They are told to just bill it out anyway. Look at that. So, oh man, no, I didn't ask for this. I got these laying all over the shop. Now I see what's going on, guys. These auto parts stores, they've been instructed, management all the way down to clerk, to just put it in there. All right, when I bring these pads back that I don't need, I work at a shop. I don't need none of this crap. So they're always trying to, and I get it. I understand the industry they're in. Sell. I get it. It's just that I don't need it. Well, here we are. Because I have to go back. Remember, I bought I bought both front pads, whether it's dual piston or not, because I wasn't sure. Well, I'm going to get my money back, and I'm going to sneak and ask them their strategy at doing this. Remember, guys, it's all about people. It's like politicians. It's like politics. When you are made to do something, when the government try to make you do something, you will resist. Okay, that's what a lot of this vaccine stuff is. But I'm not gonna get into that. Now I'm on to this. Now, because I was made to buy this, I now have a problem with it. You know what I'm saying? If you'd have asked me, and I'm sure they can't say, please buy it because I get a bonus or something like it. It wasn't but $1.69, so I'm not fussing over the price. I'm merely fussing because I was forced and made to buy this. That's how Americans are, guys. They're okay with things until they are made to do it. Now, I'm going to call this a scam. For video purpose, I'm going to call this a scam. I mean, you can judge it by the way you will. I'm having fun, guys. I'm not pissed off, and I'm definitely not mad at the lady that did this. She's the nicest lady you ever want to meet. I mean, we carried on conversation after the camera was shut off. She's kind of cute, too. But anyway, my point is, yes, this is a scam. I'm about to go up here now and see how they handle this in the process of me returning these brake pads. And guys, one good thing I like about most of these places, I don't know what a damn receipt is, but I remember she taking my phone number, so it's likely in the computer. Yes, guys, they finishing it up, so I want to hurry up and get back, so just in case he's done, I'll be able to finish paying him. All right, gotta get some of these junky PT Cruisers out of here. That blue one going to the scrap yard. There's nothing wrong with the white one. But guys, I'm headed to AutoZone. A scam in the making. You just scammed me out of $1.69, and I don't appreciate it. Okay, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have some fun today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm here at AutoZone. I'm about to go in here and find out if I was just scammed. All right, y'all see this? I didn't ask for this, They just literally forced it upon me, okay? I hate being made to do something, okay? Now, sure, the average DIY guy might could use this, but I work in a facility, a dealership, I might add. We got this stuff laying around. We got aniseed laying. It says brake lubricant reduces brake noise. Sure, you may need it, but I was made to buy it. I was forced, okay? Yes, I hate being forced to buy something. So, guys, y'all ready? Let's go inside and find out what's really going on. Was I scammed? Was your boy JT the car guy just scammed for $1.69? Let's go find out. Let's get it. All right, guys. So I go to brake pads I got the other day. I don't need them. I didn't need brake pads. I just had a warped rotor. All right, so I ended up. Whoa, lady, don't run me over. I ended up resurfacing the rotor, so I was technically out of no money. I fixed that job. The car's not shaking anymore. Y'all saw the video. If not, I'm gonna put some video clip right here. All right. Monday, get out of the car. Bring out the car. Johnny, yes. Hey, and why this right here? Are y'all like, she like made me buy this? Because I told her I didn't want that. I just put it on there anyway. You have to have it? What do you mean?
It freezes. Caliper slide rails in your...
No, I work at a shop. So we got this. Yeah, we got aniseeds all over.
No, but it's our habit to make sure that each brake pad that goes out of here has something to lubricate it with. Because we don't know whether it's your shop. We don't know how much you got to on the shelf.
Y'all used to try to sell it though. Like, what you like? No, she forced it on me. I'm saying you used to try to see if I want it or need it. No, in that case, you just put it in the bag and charge me for it. It's like, yeah. I'm thinking management done come down on them and told them, look, put this in everybody's bag. Oh, they do? Oh, well.
I'm going to tell you, you're going to get it.
Right.
She was nice enough to try to be polite and throw it in the bag without me letting you know. I'm telling you right here.
Right.
You're getting that bag. You're going to take that bag. Prove me wrong. You need to go in the car and get ready.
Oh, God. I don't go see.
Coach you need to get ready. You don't come out of here with that grease.
Calling my attorney. Oh, God. Oh, that was a sweet slick how she did it. I know, she was slick with it. It was funny. It was funny, boy. Oh, that was funny.
He set me up.
Oh, you did. Oh, boy. It's like $1.69. The amount don't bother you. It's just the fact that it's the fact you forced it, like making me take a vaccine or something. Like, oh, God. I know. Oh my God. $1.69. I'm in the car pissed off. Like, I can't believe this. Boy, just pissed off.
It's your $1.60.
We're off for 15 minutes.
All right, man.
Be easy.
All right, thanks, man. Oh man, did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that whole interaction? Now I'm gonna upload this video, but I'm gonna make sure I don't have Buddy, his face in the video, because I don't want him to get in trouble. I knew he was joking, but it was funny. That whole interaction was funny as hell. I just been nicely scammed, happily scammed. The truth came out. I got the truth out of AutoZone. Okay, yes, guys. Technically, it's not a scam. It's just an upsell strategy, but I'm naming it scam for these video purposes. So y'all can dog me out if you want to. This was funny. I'm sorry. I got some comedians in me, and that guy was funny as hell. All right, guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching.